Good morning, Professor. Hope you are doing good. Good morning, class. My name is Jas Kamal Singh, and I am here to talk about the company that admires me most. It is an automotive company. Any guesses? Okay, it's Tesla Incorporation. Tesla is basically an electric car manufacturing company of America. It manufactures other renewable energy solutions also. History of the company. Tesla first came into the existence in 2003 when the two engineers named Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning incorporated the company. In 2007, Elon Musk became the new CEO of the company, and in the very next year, he launched the first electric car for the company named Tesla Roadster. The car was able to go up to 200 miles in a single charge. How great is that? In 2015, the company expanded its existing product line by including a SUV car to it. And their first SUV car was Model X, and it became quite prominent car in youngster generation. In 2016, company thought of expanding its business, and to expand it, they acquired a new business of Solar City. And with the help of this acquisition, they were able to manufacture renewable energy solutions for household and commercial sector. In 2020, to be very precise, on 1st July, the company became the world's largest automaker by market capitalization. How cool is that? They have also surpassed Toyota Motors by $4 billion. Now, what Tesla do? Tesla is basically divided their business into two segments. First is automotive segment. In this segment, they are producing electric cars in the famous model Model X, Model Y, Cybertruck, Tesla Roadster. And the another segment is energy generation and storage segment. In this segment, they manufacture solar panels and battery storage systems. Why, what are the things that makes Tesla an interesting company? First of all, Tesla has a very good initiative of protecting environment thanks to the electric cars as they are eco-friendly. So they have achieved this thing. Next, have they holds the record of world's fastest electric car that can go up to 400 kilometers per hour. What a unbelievable achievement for their Tesla Roadster. The cars of Tesla has self-driving capabilities thanks to their AI chips that can help in object detection and scene recognition. Now, the number of the things that Tesla did to become successful. First of all, they have an excellent business mission, and their business mission is to accelerate the world to sustainable transportation by bringing more and more electric cars. This business mission is excellent because they are replacing normal gasoline vehicles with electric cars. In the beginning, they rather focusing on manufacturing affordable car. They thought a totally different approach. And this approach included to manufacture a compiling car to gain a loyal customers. In the next stage, they implemented a very good business model. And their business model contained three prolonging stages. First was direct sales. In direct sales, they eliminated possible intermediators and directly reached the customers so as to provide a good services. They also established a service center along with their retail stores to provide efficient services. Lastly, the Tesla holds world's largest supercharge network. Basically, the electric car have only limitations, that is charging. Tesla has eliminated by implementing large number of charging stations in the areas such as hotels, restaurants, and other public places that has helped in adoption of electric cars. Lastly, the bottom line. The company was not only one to manufacture electric cars, but they were the one who have implemented their business model in the best possible way that has provided a competitive advantage. Now, the ownership and leadership. The owner and co-founder of the company, and he's a present CEO, and he's a Mr. Elon Musk. Elon Musk came into the company as a chairman in 2004 by bringing $6 million to the prize pool, and in 2007 he became CEO of the company. The leadership style that Ian must follow is transformational leadership style. Under the transformational leadership style, the leader has a capability to inspire, motivate, and work in their team to achieve an exceptional results. Now, in conclusion, electric cars are the future and no one can deny. And Tesla has established in the manufacturing of electric cars very well. So the employees and the company itself has a very bright future. Thank you, Professor, and all my classmates to giving me a wonderful opportunity to speak on my favorite company. And this company admires me most.